Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to verify your Wise account. So first, after you create your Wise account, I'm not going to get into the details how to get to sign up to Wise. Just go to the website, enter your personal details, then confirm your email and create a strong password. Now, Wise requires you to verify your identity for security and compliance reasons. You'll need to upload a government issue ID. Passport, driver's license, or national ID card must be valid and not expired. Also, a proof of address like utility bill, bank statements, or government issued letter not older than 3 months. And make sure documents are clear, full page scans or photos, not cropped or blurry, and names and addresses match exactly with your registration details. Now, Wise sends you a verification code by SMS, enter it, and you'll receive an email with a verification link. Just click the link to confirm. Now, Wise usually completes verification in 1 to 3 business days. If your documents are unclear or incomplete, they'll ask you to resubmit. During busy times, approval might take a bit longer. And once verified, you can send and receive money worldwide, order a Wise debit card, and hold balance in multiple currencies. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.